for an update on the initiatives to allow builders and private developers to construct wastewater treatment facilities for smaller housing developments when will the new regulations come into effect?
This important issue around allowing developers to construct wastewater treatment facilities, and I know it's a matter he has raised on a number of occasions. Following government approval of this initiative, my department is working closely with key stakeholders, including Ishgir, to establish a framework allowing builders and private developers to construct standalone wastewater treatment solutions for housing developments where public wastewater capacity is unavailable or constrained. And the initiative is intended to ensure timely housing delivery by addressing and removing previous delays while safeguarding public health and protecting the environment. The developer-led wastewater treatment facilities can only be constructed under strict technical, environmental and regulatory conditions, with all proposals subject to assessment, approval and oversight by Uisce Éireann and monitoring by the Environmental Protection Agency. A central feature is that all completed infrastructure will be transferred to Uisce Éireann, which will assume ownership and responsibility for operation and maintenance, ensuring integration into the national public wastewater system. And the regulatory framework underpinning this initiative must be robust to ensure compliance, safeguard public health and the environment, and provide certainty for developers and regulators. The EPA is preparing general binding rules for smaller wastewater treatment facilities serving developments of less than 100 population equivalent or approximately 40 houses. These rules will provide practical guidance for developers while maintaining consistent environmental standards nationwide. And structured engagement between developers and Uisce Éireann is a key element of the initiative. Clear points of contact, guidance on design and performance standards and defined approval pathways will ensure that the proposed infrastructure aligns with public systems. And my department, in close coordination with stakeholders, is finalising the regulatory and guidance frameworks, and the new approach is expected to be operational by the end of February. And by enabling developer-led delivery of infrastructure under strict standards, with oversight and eventual transfer of ownership to Uisce Éireann, this initiative will support housing delivery, protect the environment, safeguard public health, and ensure that wastewater infrastructure is safe, sustainable, and fully integrated into the national network.